We were laughing in the kitchen like we always used to do. Nothing felt any different. Nothing felt like we were through. You were leaning on the counter, talking about your day. There was nothing in your voice that gave anything away. We were driving out on back roads, windows down, just chasing time. You were holding on to my hand like you always had been mine. If there was a crack between us, I was blind to every sign. I was standing in the moment while you were saying goodbye. I didn't see it coming, didn't feel it in the air. No warning in your silence, no distance in your stare. I thought we were steady, like something built to last. But you were already leaving while I was holding on to us. Now your side of the room is empty, but your memory fills the space. Every little thing reminds me of the look on your face. I keep searching for a reason, something I might have missed. But sometimes there ain't a moment that explains a hurt like this. I didn't see it coming, didn't feel it in the air. No warning in your silence, no distance in your stare. I thought we were steady, like something built to last. But you were already leaving while I was holding on to us. Maybe you were fading slowly while I was standing still. Sometimes love don't fall apart, it just changes how it feels. I didn't see it coming, now I'm learning how to stand in the middle of a story I still don't understand. I thought we were forever, now I'm sifting through the past, trying to make sense of something that just ended way too fast. Yeah, I didn't see it coming, but I'm learning how to let it pass.